In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana throughout the day to enhance your productivity and stay on top of your tasks. Asana is an excellent tool for managing your workload, and with a few simple steps, you can transform it into your ultimate daily planner. Let's begin by exploring the My Tasks section. You'll find it on the left sidebar of your Asana interface. Think of this section as your personal to-do list within Asana. Here, you can see all the tasks assigned to you across various projects. To make the most of this feature, sort your tasks by due date. This way, you'll always know what's urgent and needs immediate attention, helping you prioritize effectively. Next, it's crucial to organize your task using the built-in sections labeled Today, Upcoming, and Later. Asana has thoughtfully designed these buckets to help you manage your workload. Move tasks into the Today section if you plan to tackle them immediately. Upcoming is ideal for tasks you intend to complete in the next few days. Anything that doesn't require your immediate attention should go into the Later section. This systematic approach ensures that you're always focused on what truly matters today while keeping an eye on future tasks. Start your morning routine by reviewing the tasks listed under Today. This helps set a clear agenda for the day. Arrange tasks by dragging and dropping them based on the order you wish to tackle them. Moreover, you can add custom fields like priority levels, high, medium, or low, to keep track of what demands your urgent focus. Adding time blocks and setting up deadlines is another key aspect of managing your day efficiently. Assign due dates and specific times to each task to ensure you stay on track. Sync Asana with your Google Calendar or Outlook to view these tasks alongside your meetings. Not only does this integration prevent scheduling conflicts, but it also allows you to carve out time for deep work sessions. For tasks that seem overwhelming, breaking them into subtasks can make the workload more manageable. For example, if your task is to write a report, consider breaking it down into draft outline, collect data, write content, and review and submit. This method not only makes the task feel less daunting, but also provides a sense of progress and accomplishment. Utilize the calendar or timeline view to plan your day visually. In My Tasks, switch to Calendar View to map out your tasks. If your work is more project-based, the timeline view is perfect for understanding task dependencies and ensuring you meet project deadlines efficiently. Lastly, make full use of Asana's automation features. Activate inbox notifications so you never miss a deadline. Implement rules that automatically move tasks to Today when their due dates arrive. Integrating Asana with communication tools like Slack or Teams can also keep you updated in real time. By using these strategies, Asana will become an indispensable part of your daily routine, ensuring you stay organized, productive, and ahead of your tasks.